This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Features include a sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, an in-dash CD changer, active fuel management, trailer wiring, fog lamps, stability control, a multi-function display, and this vehicle has less than 62,000 miles. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.